by Ottoman or Ottoman, depending on how you want to say it. This particular one, there's your part number. It's a great replacement for the original or the OEM. The OEM runs between $120 on up, depending on what they have available and depending on how much it's going to cost in your area. Okay, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And the part number that Freightliner has as an Ottoman. Okay, and again, it's a direct replacement for what you have available. Now, there's the actual bushing itself. As you can see how it gets mounted. It says outside, so again, that is the outside. Let me open this up a little bit more. Bear with me. Got one hand on this. All right, there we go. So again, there is your bushing, direct replacement for the original, and certainly saves you some money. Now, one thing you're going to notice, there is a groove here, okay, and there's a groove here because the groove is here on the base where it gets mounted. So obviously, if you do it backwards, I'm sure you can, this shit's going to be crooked, and then you're going to do your work all over again. So just keep in mind, outside, and that's about it. So I'm going to start getting everything ready, and hopefully I can show you as I'm doing everything, and we'll go. Okay, guys, so here's a quick little sight of what we're doing to replace this. Very easy. What you're going to need to do is something like this, maybe a bottle jack, and maybe a little 2x4, and just simply lift the cab up. That way you take some pressure off, remove the 2 bolts, remove the top bolt, put it all back together, tighten it all down, get your stuff out of the way, and you're good to go. Hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, hit me up, let me know.